Alright guys, I'm working on a different project today. We're going to start this off. I'm going to let you know this little box, the size of, a half a hand for some people, kind of a full hand for me. That little box came in this big, humongous box from Amazon. That little box right there, that size, came in this huge cotton picking box. I mean, kind of ridiculous. Just doesn't make a lot of sense to me, but alright, so anyway, I've already started this project like I always do. I always start something before I start the video. But here's what we got. I've decided to pull out my bulbs, and we put in these Amazicha LED lights is what these are. These are basically custom dynamic knockoffs, probably. But if I looked at the custom dynamic box, and guess where it's made? Made in China. Custom Dynamics products, pretty much, at least the one I saw, was made in China. So my guess is this is possibly made in the same factory that they make Custom Dynamics. So this is the side I'm working on now. This is the side that's already been done, so that's what you get with it. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to turn the signal on. What really surprised me is I didn't have hyperflash with them, which is really weird. But here's what you get. So when your signal's going, you're going to get that amber, fully amber in the middle. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to finish doing this. Of course, I've got a Voyager. That's why a lot of you watch these videos. But what I also have, is, as I've talked about in another video, is I've got these Kuryakyn lights. These pieces on the edge are actually Kuryakyn bezels that you can buy from Metric, and they don't fit a Voyager. So these are actually no bad 1600, I believe, is what these are, front signals. And I've got another video on that, but you'd have to change out your front signal if you wanted some, signals that kind of look like mine. These are 2 inches, so I don't know exactly, you might be able to make them fit in the housing that you've got, because they really don't fit in my housing. But here in a second, I'm going to show you what I did. Let me hit pause and I'll get to that part. So guys, this is basically what I've got as far as what you get if you do the Kuryakyn extension metric piece. This is the bezel they'll send you, and I kind of like it because of that cutout that it's got in the middle that allows light to come through. But this is the smoked lens, and of course it came with an amber halogen bulb right there. But what I'm gonna do is we're gonna pop this chrome piece off right here, and we're gonna put this together. So hang tight. So pretty easy to come out of there. So that's just the housing. We're going to use that. I wasn't originally using it, but I've decided I can use it. And of course, without the housing, that's what your lens would look like without. But we're going to use this for this Amazicha knockoff Custom Dynamics light. So give me 1 second. These lights actually come with this. This is a basically, I don't think it's 3M stick pad, but it's a double adhesive pad that will fit on the back side of the light. So what I'm going to do is attach it to the light, and then we're going to attach it to this piece, just like so. So it's going to fit in there, and it's going to be stuck basically just on the outer edge is what's going to actually stick it. And that's really all there is to it. So again, I don't know factory if that would work for you, because it's a pretty weird turn signal that we've got on these Voyagers. Trying to remember exactly how it worked. I think it was kind of a lock-in type of signal or something. I can't remember. But for this application, it's going to work okay. So stick with me. We're going to put it together, baby. Alright guys, we got the one side stuck. So that's kind of what we're looking like. We're going to go ahead and peel the other side. And once we peel that off, we're going to have the stickiness. And we're just going to attach it. Of course, the wire is going to go out the back side. And then we're going to attach. And guys, there you go. The stick has been put on, and that's what you got. Turn it upside down, you don't fall out. And back side looks a little bit like this. And all is well in the world. We're about to plug him just straight into the socket and put him back together. I'll put back into the housing. Excuse the lens, it's a little dirty on the outside, but that's what you're going to get. Just like I said, that line right there is really kind of why I like it. Just that line right there, if I can get it in the camera, huh? So we're going to plug it up. We'll have a pair. Alright, ladies and gents, that looks like it's going to be a wrap. About to turn them on, let you see them. But that's basically what we got. In the daytime, in the bright sun. It could be a little brighter maybe, but not too bad. Let's hit a turn signal and see what we got. So here we go. There's your turn signal. No hyper flash again. Big time surprise, but no hyper. If you want these lights, like I said, they come in that little tiny box. They're about, I think they were $17. $17. They're Amazicha brand on Amazon. They've also got some LX Light. If you look up LX Light, they've also got some that might be brighter than these, possibly. LX Light is the company that made my headlight right there and my side driving lights. I think pretty highly of them. They've treated me pretty well with a replacement that I needed one time. So I guess that's about it, guys. Pretty easy to do. That's all I got. And remember, MEtricoil.com, www.MEtricoil.com. Get you some oil. Thanks, guys. Have a good day.